Hello, today I am going to discuss about last in first out load as well as last in first out unload instructions. So let me create a new file. Okay, so insert a new run here. Okay, I'll put the virtual switch and then I will go to the file shift or sequencer tab. Okay, click this tab and select this one LFL and then select LFU instructions. Okay, so this one I will copy to here. This I will assign the address. I will use digital input colon slot 0 slash bit 0. I'll copy the address to here and then I will change the bit. Okay, for LFL and LFU instructions is almost similar to the FFU and FFL that we discussed in our previous video. So the source and the file and the control address must be the word address. Okay, so this time I will use an integer data file and then I will increase the elements to about maybe 20 elements. All right, so for this last in first out file address I will use this one. Okay, so this word address should include the hash sign in front of the word address. Okay, I will use the same address for this LFU instruction too. Okay, and then this I will use N7 colon 10 word address for this. I'll copy the address to this one. Then I will change the word to word 11. And the control, I will use this word address. And I will use the same address for this LFU instruction too. And then the length I will set to 5. And the length I will change to 5. Okay. So let me compile a file to make sure there's no error. And then I will click download. And then save the program into the hard disk. Okay, let me give a name to the file. I will name it LFL and LFU. Save. Okay, click here and then click run to run the program. Let me put this program to the right. Okay, then this one, zoom it bigger. Alright, okay. So what is LFL and LFU? Actually, LFL and LFU instructions is almost similar to the FFL, FFU instructions that we discussed in our previous videos. Okay, the only difference is the alphabet LI. Okay, LI stand for last in. Okay, so LFL or last in first out load instructions is actually perform the same function as the first in first out load instructions, almost the same. Okay, so what it will do is when this instruction is energized, okay, it will load the value from the source address, which is n7 colon 10. Okay, source address n7 colon 10 into the first value of the file address n7 colon 0. Okay, this is a file address n7 colon 0, which has or consists of about 5 words of length. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 words of length. Okay, as for the LFU, or last in first out unload instructions, when this instruction is energized, it will cause the last value of the far address. Okay, this is far address n7 column 0, n7 column 0, which consists of 5 word, 1 2 3 4 5 word length. Okay, this value, this last value of this far address will be unload to the destination address, which is n711. Okay, so let me demonstrate. Maybe I change this value. Okay, so if I change the toggle bit here, this virtual switch will close and it will energize this last in first out load instructions, and then it will load the value of the source address, which is n710, this one n710, to the first value of this far address. Okay, far address. Okay, let's see what happened. See, it will load to here. So if I change this one to other value, okay, de-energize and energize one more time and see what happened. It will load to here, 165. How about I change to other value? Let me de-energize and energize again. See, it will shift to here. Okay, let me change to other value. Let me de-energize these instructions and then energize these LFL instructions. So you see, it will load to here. Okay, okay, one more time, de-energize and energize. It will load to here. Okay, so if you change to other value and try to load in, let's say I will set to 56. Okay, it will not be able to load in the value anymore because all these words has been fully occupied. Okay, now for this LFU, so see what will happen. If I trigger this virtual switch to close, the virtual power will energize this LFU instructions. Okay, what happened is, you see the word here, li, last in. So the last value of this far address n7 column 0, n7 column 0, okay, will be unload into the destination file, which is n711. This one, n711. Okay, that means this 11 will be unload to here. Then the next value later will be unload to here, and so on. Okay, let's see what happened. 11 will be unload to this destination address. See, let me de-energize and energize again. So once I energize this LFU instruction, the next value, negative 89, will be unload to here. See, and so on. Okay, so that's it. Thanks.